Oh shit, Mike's on a good one. What it look like? Does it feel like you need a net, bro?
I don't know. I think so.
Got that drag set right, just in case so you don't come up here and just
Mike's on a good one over here.
smack you. Fighting good. Oh no, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, we're gonna need the net. That's a nice one.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Yep. Is he hooked good? Make sure he's good. Man, he barely got that dude. Oh yeah. Woo! All right. Oh yeah. I'll get you a picture of that one, Mike. Yes, sir. That's a good one. We'll say that's your first blue cat. That other one won't even count.